In this Collate clue, we're going to take you through a quick getting started session. We'll set up a database service, ingest the data, and then display the ERD created from it. We start by selecting Settings. This is where we set up and manage everything in Collate. For this example, select Services. Since we're going to work with Snowflake, select Databases. You can see previously created services below, and those can be managed from here, but we want to add a new service. Select Snowflake and click Next. Give it a meaningful name, Commerce Core in this case, and a description. Then click Next. Now you'll fill in your Snowflake connection information. There is context help on the right side of the screen that will highlight for each field that has focus. With our fields filled in, we scroll to the bottom and try the test connection. It's always a best practice to ensure your connection is successful before moving on. With the connection established, you are presented with a wealth of platform insights, all powered by our Collate agents. Let's take a look. Agents are the heartbeat of Collate. They collect and analyze your data. By default, you'll see agents for bringing in your Snowflake metadata, such as tables, stored procedures, and Collate AI agents, which will document your tables and add tests. You can add agents with the button here to the right, but the AI will launch all the applicable ones for you by default. Note that they can take a few minutes to appear. From here, you can change their scheduling and examine the run logs. Now let's get to the fun part by clicking on the Database tab. We just have a single database in this warehouse, otherwise they'd all display here. Select Commerce Core to see the available schemas. This secondary navigation gives us access to various functions and reflects useful stats, such as the fact that there are 4 tables in this database. A more extensive examination of these additional options are covered in other videos. Let's take a look at that promised ERD. You can see our 4 tables and their relationships with their fields plainly displayed. This just sets the stage for you to dive deeper into what Collate can do. With just a few steps, we were able to connect to and ingest a warehouse from Snowflake and get a look at the fields and structure. With over 90 service connections available, it's simple for you to try Collate. Visit our website and try it for yourself.